State 20 between mile markers 360. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Love County in southern Oklahoma until 11:45 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain moving into Love County from the southwest. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marietta, Vacaville, Leon, Overbrook, Blue Bottom, Bonneville, Southern Lake Ridge, and Courtney. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.